Beautiful people, welcome back to yet another episode. We are in Nairobi CBD, and every day when I come to Nairobi, I am interested in knowing how far this project has gone. It's the Haileselasie Avenue Underpass. So, as you can see, this is the state of the project. They want to be showing you they were putting tiles, and I think they have decided to stop. This is a lift that is going to be used by probably the people can't walk, maybe the disabled or the elderly. And then there is this walkway that any other person will be able to use. So it's an international project that is taking place in Nairobi. Then another thing that has been done that was not done before, let me show you this other side. You can see they are plastered because I think they removed those tiles. There were tiles that were put there. So this shade that you see here, I don't know whether people will be, or maybe it's to protect people from being rained on. Let's imagine like it's raining and you can use this as a shade or maybe just to chill. So this is another route to be able to be used for people to cross the road. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And today being on a Saturday, I don't know, there are no people working. Probably, I don't know why. Maybe sijui kama pesa imeisha or what. Because it's supposed to be a working day. So you can see people on traffic. You know, this traffic sometimes is caused by people crossing. Then we have another lift over here. So they have installed all these lifts. Yeah, so I think let's walk and show you every corner to see whether they all have the lifts. Yeah, a lot of traffic. It's on a Saturday, you know. Yeah. Watu wanaenda wapi ama wanaenda sherehe. So the expressway above us, and then we are crossing to the other side. So here we are. You can see this. Yeah, I think they are going to put terrazzo. Yeah, you can see down here they're going to have terrazzo. I think that is what they're working on. So yes, this is the underpass that is being built on Uhuru Highway that is going to connect the people who are coming from Haileselasie and the ones that are coming from Haileselasie Avenue. So this is how far the project has gone. You can see these shades are everywhere, and then there is something else. Let me show you this one first. Yeah, there is someone who is working there. Yeah, so some traffic. So around here, I don't know whether I can be able to show you. There are guys who normally shower here, and let me. Yeah, you see those guys over there? We are a group of men. I think men just have some problem. They are showering on that gutter, and they are all naked. So, well, then you can see this other side. You can see now the walls have been plastered vizuri, kwa sababu I think they decided not to go on with the tiling. I don't know where those tiles that they were putting went to, because they had already put tiles. You can see now they are going to remove, and then probably they paint. So this is now, what do you call this route? Is it Hapair? I think it's still as Gong Road. This is Gong Road, where Gong Road is starting. So wanna cross to the other side. Yeah, this, you see, they have removed all those tiles. Yeah, another one over here. Yeah, you can see there are guys working. Yeah, so the floor, I think they're going to put terrazzo, and then that will be it. I think maybe they continue working. Maybe in the next a month or two they're supposed to open. this underpass, and we'll be coming to show you someone has imported a car or is transporting a car with all these big wagon. Yeah, so this is how this project is going on. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel and like my video and tell me what do you think about this underpass, yeah, that is being built on Haileselasie Avenue, Nairobi, Kenya. Kenya is slowly developing. The only problem is that sometimes you find that a project like this one, the amount of money that has been allocated to it versus the amount that has been used to actually do the work, it could be even half. So you find that probably half of the budgeted amount of money for this project goes to corruption. So if at least we reduce corruption, we will be able to develop at a very high speed. Yeah, like this expressway, yeah, when it was being built, I think the allegation that the initial plan was the expressway would cost, I think it was 30 billion, and then it ended up costing 64 billion. So see, corruption everywhere. So you can see they have put all that barrier to prevent people from falling off to that gutter. And then around here is how things are. Yeah, it's almost getting finished. So very soon I think we're gonna have it open. Yeah, traffic on a Saturday. Then there is this other side. I was showing you the lifts. So the lift on this other side is also installed. Yeah. So you can see this is an indication that the project is soon going to be completed. There is one guy that is seated there. Probably today they reduced the amount of people that are supposed to report to work, and the ones that are there are not that busy. They are not doing anything. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a sweet comment.